Hey guys, it's Zach here, and today I'm gonna react there to Panchi dog wipe his butt on the garage door and dies for results. And then that's from the frozen cereal, and then I just make it a try, so I don't know. I didn't need to make it a try, may just try a funny video compilation. And then it's from that in this Japanese commercials, and then I found this, and then you can react that, and then I'm gonna react that. So let's begin.
Panchi, consome pan, consome pan. Consome pan, consome pan. Consome panchi,
Alright, so tomorrow, leave the comments again, and thanks so much for watching, and don't forget the thumbs up again, and then I just made a try, I admit that, so don't forget that, and link in the description, and then subscribe, and don't forget that. You know the drill. But anyways, I haven't tried to thinking about it, and then it's so fun. It's so funny video I have react this on my life, and then it's like, oh my god, what is that? And it just made a try it right. So I admit that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.